Okay, here we are, folks. Electra has lit up Granite Gorge for over a foot of powder and still snowing. Today is Sunday the 15th. Look at the snow up there. This is about the best Christmas setup we can ever remember here in our 10th year at Granite Gorge. That's Bunny, BB Terrain Park. People having a ball. Tubing, best tubing park in New England. Lighten that up. Let's can back over. Sun's coming out. People having a blast. Chairlift will be up and running this week. Big groomer coming. People hanging out in the Lookout Lounge. So my words to you are, come on up and ski, tube, and ride Granite Gorge.